Eyeliner is probably the trickiest part of makeup, whether you're a beginner or a pro. I'm Tina, I'm a professional makeup artist, and I'm going to show you the quickest, easiest, simplest way to apply eyeliner and make it look on fleek.
Is that how kids these days call it?
So for this, you want to skip liquid liner or any fast drying eyeliner, but instead use a gel eyeliner or a pencil liner. Make sure it's well sharpened like that so that you have a sharper, more precise edge. And I'm going to start from the middle of my eyelid going outwards just because of my droopy downturned eye shape, but you can totally go all the way in with the eyeliner if you want to. And you want to keep it very, very close to your lash line. Even if you're going for a bolder, thick eyeliner look, it's always easier to start with a thinner line closer to the lash line and then make it thicker and build it as you go, as opposed to starting with a thicker line, and then if you mess up or if it's too thick, then it's probably going to be harder for you to remove it and make it thinner again. I'm starting with the center of my eye, like I said, and I'm holding my pencil sideways and just smudging it, like dragging it along my upper lash line, making sure that it's thin and close to the lash line as much as possible. And then I'm going to take it slowly in very short strokes, as you see, inwards, just to kind of blend it inwards a little bit. Then on this outer edge, and this is important, even if you're going for a winged liner, no matter how long you want your wing, do not go straight with the pencil to create the wing. Make sure to just build up the product on this outer corner. Just add a lot of it by tapping the eyeliner on the outer corner, just like that. You're gonna see in a second why. And don't worry about it being a little too wavy or messy a little bit, because we're going to smooth it out in a minute. Now I'm going to be taking a small precise eyeliner brush like the Sigma small angled E65, and I'm going to go over this line and smudge it, blend it outwards. I'm starting from the center of the line, going a little bit inwards to blend it inwards and make it smoother, and then I'm blending it outwards. You see, if you use a fast drying eyeliner, then you're not going to be able to do that because it's already going to be set. So you just want to use a very soft eyeliner like the, by the way, I was using the Urban Decay 24-Hour Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion. This is their blackest black, if I'm not wrong. Links to the products that I'm using are going to be below in the description bar of this video. And then when you get to this outer edge, you just want to take this eyeliner brush and start smudging it outwards in very short, small motions like this. And then you can take it outwards as much as you want. My best little tip for that is to open your eye and look straight into the mirror when you do that, just like this, as opposed to closing your eye and doing it, because it might look different when you open your eye later. So when you open your eye and you look straight into the mirror, you can see exactly the direction of which you want your wing to go. If you have droopy eyes like mine, I have a whole video about eyeliner for downturned eyes. So I'm going like this, and now this is the time to build it even more. If you want it to be darker, longer, thicker, just go over it a little bit, and then once again, go over the brush and smooth it out. By the way, make sure to follow me on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks in the future.